Glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a Valentine's Day Fashion Over try on haul. I have so many amazing Valentine's Day dresses and two pieces and things like that are just so gorgeous, perfect for Valentine's Day and also my birthday because it's the day after, don't forget. So excited to show you guys these pieces. They're beautiful and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day season and a Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. It is just the best. I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this first dress is super cute. I will say it's very short, so for me I would probably wear it as like a sweater dress with leggings or a top more than anything. It is too short for me and my hips and my body, but I did show it to you as a dress. I love this. It reminds me of the 2000s. You guys know I'm a 90s baby, so I grew up in the 2000s. And it just really reminds me of like Clueless, 2000s, Mean Girls vibes. I love it. It's really stretchy, really comfortable, really soft. It feels amazing quality. And like I said, I love it. I don't see anything wrong with it. My only complaint is that it's a little too short. So I would personally wear it as a top. So this next dress is super beautiful. I love dresses like this. You guys know I love off the shoulders. I love the ruching. I love the mesh, like anything that's romantic. This just gives me super Romeo and Juliet vibes. It's really comfortable, but it still gives you a nice little snatched look. I would wear nude undergarments with this. Right now I'm just wearing my regular underwear and they're dark, but I would wear like a nude undergarment with this, and you can see it's long enough. This is super sexy. I would definitely wear this for a Valentine's Day dinner. I love the little petal ruching. I love the tie in the front. I mean, this dress is gorgeous. Just don't eat pasta and be careful not to get chocolate on it. But this is a Valentine's Day 1000% yes to this. It makes your booty look good. It's sexy. It is just gorgeous. So this next piece is probably my favorite, to be honest. I absolutely am obsessed with this beautiful dress. First of all, I mean, look how shimmery and beautiful it is. It's such a different take on wearing something that catches the light. You know, you guys know I love glitter, I love shimmer, I love sequins, but this is different. It is like this beautiful iridescent, pearlescent, opalescent, beautiful shimmer fabric, and it looks so just classy and chic and beautiful. When else can you wear something so gorgeous? So I love the detail on the neck where you can make that bow. The ruching on the sides really smooths out the hips. You can see the shape it gives you in the back is gorgeous, and then it covers your arms. It covers all the areas that might be problematic, but overall gives you a beautiful shape and really smooths you out. So sexy, so gorgeous. Definitely something that I personally would wear on Valentine's Day for sure. Next dress is probably the sexiest one. So this is a maxi, I don't know how to describe it. It's like ruched, but it's kind of like satiny mixed with mesh. It's stretchy. It has these spaghetti straps. I love the style of this. It's like a sheath kind of style, very like 90s, 2000s. Really sexy. I love the color. It kind of reminds me of wine. Just very Valentine's Day inspired. I will say you do probably have to wear shapewear with this, and it's not the most comfortable to just like sit in, but it looks amazing. So this next dress is really cute. I love the color. Again, it's like this beautiful brick rust color, which I think is so romantic for Valentine's Day. Definitely different if you want to be someone who sticks out of the crowd from all the pink and red and nude and white and a lot of black as well. This one will kind of stick out of the crowd with the nice rust color. Again, beautiful v-neck, waist tie, a little bit of ruching, but you guys already know my favorite part are the sleeves. I love the little shoulder detail on the sleeves. I think it's so cute, so fun, and it's also like a wrap detail dress, which I like. I wish it was a little bit longer, and for me personally, I would probably put a pin on the cleavage area unless you are trying to get freaky, then do it, girl. But it's a really nice material. As you can see, it smooths out your body a little bit, and you don't see too many of like lumps and bumps through this material. So I love this dress. So this next piece is a three-piece set. It's really, really cute. I love how comfortable it is. So to me, this is very like Netflix and chill for Valentine's Day. Like you have, someone coming over, or you're having like a girls' night. You're doing, like a girls' night in, a spa day, a Netflix and chill day with your girls, something like that. I mean, you could obviously wear it out. To me, this is something I would wear in, and you could put like some cute lingerie under it. It's just really, really comfy, really, really comfy. So it's like a little pant with a tank top and then this duster on top, and then of course you could wear each piece separately and make other outfits. So I'm really digging this. It's really comfortable, really stretchy, and you can also wear it as pajamas. This next outfit is super cute. It reminds me of Britney Spears' Oops, I Did It Again. I love the material. Of course, it's so me because it's rose gold. Really, really shimmery. I love how they took kind of like the idea of wearing something shimmery and glittery and gave you all of these different fabrics. I love this material, this like super metallic rose gold fabric. It's so much fun, and it's actually really, really comfortable. It's super stretchy. Definitely something you would wear when it's really cold out, because it is a semi-thick metallic material and it's long sleeve and everything. But I wouldn't say this is the most forgiving because of the fact that it shows a little bit of your lumps and bumps. But I definitely think that with the right accessories, you could pull it off. So definitely really cute. So this next piece has to be my second favorite, if not ties with the other one I told you was my favorite. I absolutely love the color. First of all, again, we get that opalescent material. So pretty. A lot of ruching, a lot of like the peasant sleeves. I love the V-neck. It's just so freaking beautiful. So classy. I mean, it's a little much. There's a lot going on, but it's enough for me. For Valentine's Day, I love it. I definitely feel like if you style this right, you will look chic. I just think it's so cute, and it's really flattering on the body. Like, I could definitely see myself wearing this. And again, stretchy, comfortable. It gives you a really nice shape, and definitely one of my favorites from this whole haul. Enjoyed that video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay glam. Have a sexy, fabulous Valentine's Day, and I love you. Bye.